In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access Notion AI and what you can use for free. By the end, you'll know where to find Notion AI and what to expect before deciding whether you need a paid upgrade. Open Notion on your desktop or in your web browser and sign in to your account. Notion AI is built directly into Notion, so there's nothing extra to install. To use it, click the Notion AI button in the sidebar or place your cursor inside a page and open the AI menu from the / command or the AI prompt, depending on your version of Notion. If your account includes free AI usage, simply type your prompt and press enter. You can ask Notion AI to summarize notes, brainstorm ideas, improve writing, create outlines, or answer questions about your workspace. Keep in mind that free AI usage is typically limited. Once you've used your available free requests, Notion will prompt you to upgrade to a paid AI plan if you want to continue using AI features without limits. If you don't see the AI option, make sure you're using the latest version of Notion and that you're signed in to the correct account. Availability and limits may vary depending on your account type and Notion's current plans. That's how to get started with Notion AI for free. Thanks for watching.